Hello everyone, my name is Syed Jalil and today I will be explaining my mini project, CCBP mini project, which is Tasty Kitchens. So this is a food ordering web application inspired by platforms like Swiggy and Zomato. So I have implemented it using React.js, mainly focusing on concepts such as class components, lifecycle methods, React router, GWT authentication, and API integration. So in this video, I will explain the components hierarchy, the components used in each route, third-party libraries I have used in this application, and finally I will show the responsiveness of the application. So yeah, further you will see all of this. First, we will see the code of this application. So here is the code. So where you can see the src directory. In this directory, you can see the folder. So in this folder you will see the related components for building this application. First, mainly we see this main component app.js. So in this app.js you can see as we have imported um, third-party libraries like React router DOM for routing between the components, redirecting to the URLs. So and we have also used these protected routes components for protected routing purposes. So only authenticated user can only log in. So this is the output of this application. You can see here. So you can access this application by entering the URL sayedkitchens.ccbb.tech. So by clicking this, typing this URL, you will see the login page. So in this login page, you will see the username and password and login button. So only valid user or authenticated user can access this application. So if we give, let's see if we give any random name and try what happened. So here you can see it shows the invalid username. So if we give the valid username and a random password, let's see what happened. So it will show, it is showing you here username and password didn't match. So let's check by giving the correct credentials, that is Rahul username and the password is Rahul @2021. So it will redirect to the home page of the application where you can see the nav bar, which is the header. So in this header section you will see home section, card section, profile and logout button. So in this home page you can see one banner section which is carousels. So in this carousels you can see the offers, discounts that are offered by the restaurants. So this is implemented by using the third-party packages, which is React Slick. So here we can see the carousels. So and below this banner section you can also see the popular restaurant section. So in this section you can see your favorite restaurants details and about their dishes. So here you can see the names of the restaurants, popular restaurants. So village traditional foods, new hotel Akbar. So you can select from this. So you can also see here cart section. Initially it will show no order yet because we haven't added any items. So let's try to add items and see what happen. You can add items from going to the home popular section, or you can also add from this cart section order now. So it will redirect to the popular restaurants only. So let's select some food items from our favorite restaurants. So to add items, you can click the add button it will show the quantity of the food items. So you can increase by increment button, or you can also decrease it by clicking the decrement button. So you can add multiple items. So it will reflect in the cart section. As we have recently added the food items, they are showing here. So you can see here the items and their quantity. So here you can also increase the quantity of the items in the cart section by clicking here on the increment button, or also decrease the quantity by clicking on the decrement button, or you can completely remove the item from the cart by clicking this minus button. It will remove it. So beside that, you can see the price for the quantity, and all the total will be display here, order total here, the amount. So by clicking on the button which is below the amount, place order, so it will show that the payment successful. So you can again go to the home page by clicking on this button, go to home page. So it will again go to the home page. So let's check the responsiveness. It is a responsive application, so we can check whether how different devices will display this application. So here you can see how does it look in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the mobile view of the application, and you can also check it in the medium devices. So this is the view of medium devices. So by clicking on the logout button, it will again redirect to the home page, sorry, login page. So where you can see the username and password. So if you try to access the home page without logging, then it will again redirect to this login page only. So this is the application. Thanks for watching.